Hi friends, welcome to Free Healthy Tips. Today's topic is 7 causes of cancer you never heard about. Let's talk about the 7 causes of cancer. Watch the entire video to know about these cancer causing facts. The first one is inflammation. Inflammation in the body, especially chronic in nature, activates cancer and makes precancerous cells into full-blown cancer. They can increase the malignancy of cancer and even drugs that inhibit inflammation. It can come from an overactive immune system. If you have hypoxia, that is, having a lack of oxygen in a certain area, also activates cancer. The second one is stress. Chronic stress can initiate cancer. If people go through a stressful life, they are more likely to develop cancer than others. Those who get rid of cancer are affected by it again due to stressful life. Stress inactivates certain genetics that can increase the risk of cancer. Stress activates cortisol, which can paralyze the immune system. So, it puts your immune system in an inactive state and fails to kill off cancer cells and viruses and more susceptible to getting cancer. The third one is loneliness. Isolation and loneliness increase your risk of getting cancer. Several studies proved this link between isolation and cancer, especially breast and colon cancer. It's as risky as smoking and obesity. A lonely mood brings a person's mind way down and definitely affects every single cell in the body, especially the immune system. The fourth one is bereavement. This is grieving or the loss of a loved one. This can have a devastating effect on your whole physiology, including the immune system. A study done in 2016 proved that the loss of a spouse increased the risk of lung cancer, colon cancer, pancreatic cancer, and even skin cancer. The fifth one is depression. Having to be depressed increases your risk of getting cancer. Studies proved this link and showed an increased risk of lung and colon cancer. When you get depressed, stress also increased, raising the risk of other diseases too. The sixth one is lack of sleep. Sleep reduction increases your chance of getting cancer. Even a loss of 1 hour increases the chance of getting certain types of cancer. Of course, a lack of sleep also can increase stress and cortisol. The seventh one is EMF or electromagnetic fields. This is next to your head. It's the dangerous waves from electrical equipment like cell phones. Regarding your computer power cables, EMF is classified as a possible human carcinogen. No one talks about this in the news. Very less recommend to avoid it. It's because of the money and business involved in this field. This is probably the next tobacco situation. It took years before we acknowledge that tobacco is bad. Years from now, they are going to talk about how EMF creates a lot of problems. Research is going on at National Science Institute about the link between EMF and brain tumors and brain cancers in children. You should start to use your phone at a distance with the speaker or have some type of ear device that doesn't draw current right into your brain. Conclusion. Scientists are studying about how cancer is caused by mutated genes for a very long time. Still not succeed in that. Using chemo, radiation, and surgery gives insignificant outcomes. It's marginal. They found that the location of cancer originates not in genes but in mitochondria, that's the energy factory. The most interesting factor is if you take healthy DNA from a healthy cell and put it in the cancer cell, just injected it there, the healthy cell will convert over and turn into the cancer cell. If you take the DNA from a cancer cell and inject it into a healthy cell where the environment is healthy, you will not get cancer. So, this tells us that it's the environment that dictates. It's the lifestyle you live. It's the things that you are bathed in all day long. The genes are secondary. So, you can counter your stress by exercising, doing physical work, walking, and changing your environment by taking vitamin B1 and taking adaptogens like ashwagandha. Being in social environments and helping others all help to reduce stress. Consuming omega 3 fatty acids and cod liver oil, getting rid of refined sugars and foods and greasy foods and oils help to counter chronic situations. For more healthy videos, subscribe to our channel, like, and share with your contacts. Thanks for watching. Have a healthy day.